Hey guys, Gabriel Games and Vlogs here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Canon EOS Rebel T100, and so I got this for Christmas, and yeah, so we're going to unbox it. 32GB SD card. I have a 64 right there. And here's the main stuff, and this also comes with a strap, by the way. Here's the stuff. So here's the camera body. And battery. Very big. And the lens. I want to be very careful with this since I'm very scared that I'll damage it. So here's the lens, and here's where you charge the battery. So what I want to do is take the camera body out first. So the camera body. I want to be very, very careful with this. Yeah, I don't want to probably do that. Okay. Let's just put that back on real quick. The lens. No, I've never done this. Okay. Okay, I guess that's how you do it. Canon. No, I'm gonna put that back on because I'm really scared that I'll get the lens dirty, and I don't want that. Here's the battery. No one really cares. Let me get my 64GB SD card. Now these are hell to get open. Jesus. One second. There we go. Well, we almost got it. Oh, damn it. Okay. Fucking. Damn it. How do I turn this on? Oh. I forgot. There's a wheel. Oh, there we go. Here. Oh, yeah, I think this thing needs to be charged, so let me wait until this is charged. I'm scared to even breathe on the lens. Hey guys, this is what the video quality looks like, and manual focus. That. yeah, that's basically the camera, and I'm not gonna replace this with my camcorder because my camcorder is meant for video, so and I will be using this basically for photography. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.